Hi, my name is Allison Pryor and I teach acrylic paintings for beginners and all levels with acrylic paints. And today I'm going to show you how to paint this beautiful Northern Lights, little winter scene with Northern Lights. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to make it so easy and simple for you. I have some little tricks on how to get these Northern Lights to look like that. And I put some stars in the sky and all kinds of fun things that you can do here. I also have a little trick to make your snow. Look at your snow. I'm going to make it lift right off the canvas and make it look more realistic. So, let's get started. So all you need today for this painting that we're going to do is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and some green and brown and some white, and you can put some black on there too if you want. These have really nice bristles and they're great for your trees and your bushes, and this is going to be used for your background, okay? And then we have a flat synthetic brush, chiseled edge, and I have a flat Filbert brush, which is chiseled edge and synthetic, and I also have a liner brush. So to get started on your Northern Lights, I have a black canvas and it's a 16 by 20. I have it upright, which is portrait, because I feel that I'm going to have the Northern Lights take up all the sky. So what I'm going to do is I am going to tape off where I want my Northern Lights to end. So I'm going to come up about 1/3 of the way, and that way it'll leave me lots of room for my Northern Lights. And we're going to use chalk to get them started. So take some chalk, run a black canvas. I already put my black paint on there, my acrylic paint, and take your chalk and find a point where you want the three of them to meet. Okay, so just take a little point here. It's basically almost in the middle, probably a little further over from the middle. And then take one. You take one at a time. You can start here or on the outside. So I will just start here. And okay, so we have one coming. I'm going to put my dot up here, and a dot here and here. So I just want to get an idea where, how I want them to come. Down here is a bit too far, so I'm just thinking maybe this would be nice. So we can come over and come down to meet this one here, and then you can take this one. I want them all to meet in the same area. All right, so this one here can come out and come in, and this one can also come out and come in. So there we go. So now you have some idea which way you want your Northern Lights to flow. So now I'm going to load my fan brush, and this is the fan brush I use. If you wet it, this is what's going to happen. When you wet it, this is synthetic, it all separates, okay? So you tap it off in your tissue and you rub it in your tissue like this. It'll still be damp, but it'll start going together again. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my red. All right, I'm going to take some red. Now, another way to get them back together is to go into your paint, and some blue, maybe a bit more red, and some white. And I'm going to take it like that. See how I got the colors separated like that? Because I want my Northern Lights to have nice colors like that. So I'm going to take it like that, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to tap it on here on those lines. So I'm going to tap it on there, and as I do, I'm going to pull up, straight up, okay, straight up. Now I'm going to add more white because it's not, I want more white than those colors. So you can put the white on after, and that will help get that to come up here like this, see? Straight up, even though it curves. Keep going straight up. Okay. So keep those colors go in the same colors again, and then white. All right, and then you tap. Do a little bit at a time in case you want to add more colors. So I'm going to go straight up. Straight up. I'm going to turn my brush so that it goes straight up. So the bigger part, the part that is like here, that you can lean your brush on, go straight up, and then as you come around the curve, turn your brush vertical. So that's horizontal. You're doing horizontal here, and then vertical here, okay? Get it to move up that way. All right, and then you're going to add more colors. So you get those 3 colors, blue, red, and then white. Tap on your colors, and then pull them up. All right, that gives it a nice. So you have to stay vertical, okay? Give it that nice effect. All right, so now do the same thing, your colors over here, just mix them a little bit together, and then white, and then some more white, because I think you need more white than anything, as you can see. And we'll do it again here. Tap. Just do the top for now. Pull up, straight up, straight up. Oops, I went off the line there. And then as you get around this corner, turn your brush so that it pulls up. Straight up, straight up. I know it's tricky, it has a tricky feel to it, but if you run out of paint, just add more. And then straight up, horizontal, your brush is horizontal, coming off that line, okay? Here it can go straight up this way.
I meant to say vertical.
And then horizontal as you go around that corner. All right, just stay horizontal. I know it's a bit tricky. Tap on some more paint because it's going to dry, and even with the magic mist, because I'm not using magic
vertical
paint. And it's only straight.
Keep your brush
It'll
vertical.
stay wet for at least 10, 15, 20 minutes. I didn't add a big lot there, but tap on your colors and tap white on top of it just to keep it straight up. It's just kind of nice that it comes off of that though, isn't that nice? You can even go on the inside down here. Okay, so as you get down around that corner, then you can move on the inside. Tap on here first before you add any extra. Pretty, isn't it? Good. We'll do the same thing over here. Tap on your paint. And this is probably going to be, your brush is going to be vertical because it's not enough there to lay it down. Just pull up that paint. Get more white. Tap it on there. Okay, and pull up. Nice. So it's not too bad, is it? Not too hard. Not too bad. If you get that little, so you're going to round the corner. So we're going to pull up. Come out a little bit if you want. As we come down here, we're going to go on the inside. You get that little curve here going on, so we'll go on the inside of that. Tap your paint on. Then come on the inside here. Okay. How pretty is that? Isn't that nice? Really pretty. Good. Don't fix anything up, just stay on that paint. Right? Just stay on. If you want to add more, if you don't find it light enough, just add white onto that little place, that little line that you made, and then horizontally pull it up. But straight up, okay? Straight up. Did I say horizontal? Vertical. Vertical. Stay vertical. Vertical. Horizontal up here. I think that's pretty. We don't need to do much more with that. So take your tape off and then we'll do some snow down here so we can see where we're to. And then we're going to put some nice trees on there.